Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to send Robux to your friends. The easiest and safest way to give someone Robux from a PC is by sending them a Robux gift card, and here's exactly how to do it. First thing first, go to the official Roblox gift card store page. You can choose between buying a digital or physical card. Choose a friend and type the recipient's name and your name when prompted. You can pick the card type from digital gift card, fastest way to send the Robux, and physical gift card mailed to them. Now choose the look you want, then select how much value you want to send. Enter the recipient's email, and this is where the digital card will be delivered. You can also choose the delivery date. Now select a payment method and click place my order, and once the purchase is complete, the recipient will receive the gift card with a code they can redeem for Robux. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.